Whoa, Sadness! Sadness, stop! You're hurting Riley.
No, I did it again.
If you get in here, these core memories will get sad. I'm sorry. Riley needs to be happy.
Joy?
Горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра.
Mom and Dad, they came home because
Все твои обещания.
Sadness, it's up to you.
Me? I can't, Joy.
Yes, you can. Riley needs you.